Oh, hey! Oh! Yo, what is good, y'all? We are here at Seek and Shred. It is day 3, and we're gonna be going around finding a bunch of one-wheelers and seeing what their best trick is. So let's see what they got. Jake, excuse me. Jake Leary here. I have a question for you, sir.
Oh, is this Freddie Wilson?
Maybe. Not sure. Anyways, yeah, I'm Freddie Wilson here with Jake Leary, and just one question for you.
Okay.
Well, not really a question. It's kind of a request.
Okay.
Anything at all right now. Best trick. Could be something silly. Could be something very unique. A little trick, like maybe a flat ground, like.
Okay, I am barefoot right now. But we'll see.
He is barefoot.
Let's see. I don't have a whole lot barefoot. What do I got? Okay, hold on. There's still a little.
Let's see what he's got. Lovely in it.
Gotta be, when you gain mobility, you sacrifice protection.
This is true. Well, you did an excellent job. Thank you for your time. Are you having a lovely time at Shred Fest?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
It's a blast.
Oh, Jinx, you owe me a soda. Damn it.
Hiram Ash here.
What's up? What's good?
Yo, real quick,
Yes,
anything at all. Give me your best trick. Could be anything.
I can't even trick, dude.
Could be something silly.
Bro, I can't even trick.
You could like hop on, do like a little like
I can't even
360.
trick, dude. I don't even know how to trick. Go get Sammy.
Got Sam Laura here. Hell of a trick writer. Anything at all, real quick. Can you give me a trick? What's your best trick right now? Could be anything.
Right now.
Anything at all.
This is probably the hardest trick ever done in the history of the universe. Alright, ready?
Let's see it. Oh!
Crazy.
Let's go. Love it.
Thank you.
You having fun at Secret Shred?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Let's go. We're gonna find some more people. Yo, Kyle Hansen's over here. Let's go get him. Kyle.
What up?
Yo,
what up?
we're here with Kyle. Real quick,
Oh, yo.
can I get your best trick? Could be anything right now. Best trick.
Best trick?
Coolest trick. Fun trick.
Oh, I just got this new one.
Yeah?
Best trick.
Let's see it.
Oh!
Yo!
I can't believe I got that first try.
How do you do that?
You know, it's just a butt bounce, I like to call it. Bounce off that tire.
Can you teach me?
Yeah, you just drop down. Make sure your bum hits the tire. And if you do it good enough, it'll bounce you right back up to your feet.
I think I gotta learn it real quick. Let's test it out. Alright, you're gonna have to coach me through it.
Yeah, ready?
Alright, ready?
So you just down, punch the tire, straight the tire.
Let's go! That's how you trick, baby! Yo! Thanks, Kyle.
I got you.
Love you.
Any day. Love you more, boo.
Oh, what a guy. Allie, let me go. Alright, real quick. I just gotta know. It could be anything. Show me your most fun or your best trick or cool, something you learned. It could be anything. Alright, watch
I
closely.
haven't done this one in a minute. Not quite.
Was that
Not
it?
quite. Yeah, the falling was part of it.
He laced it.
What are we doing?
Coolest,
trick.
fun, or best trick?
Trick?
Anything.
A trick? Can I even do it?
Anything.
Oh my god.
Oh!
I can do it one more time. Hold on. Can I please?
One
get
more,
a roll
one more.
again? Roll again. You gotta focus on this one.
Oh, so
Next
close.
time. Next time I got you.
Yo, Scope, it's a real fun stuff. AJ, right here. AJ Balanza. AJ. Whoa, that's dope. What's going on, y'all? Oh, and Chris.
Hey,
Your friend Chris.
check this out. I got a cooler inside my cooler. You ever see that?
I've never
I
seen
even got
nothing cooler.
a little cooler in there.
In the cooler?
In a
Oh,
in the cooler? God damn.
and
I got Jorts. I got this.
he can ride it.
Yes, sir.
Yo, that's the coolest cooler with the cooler in the cooler I've ever seen.
We're just staying cool.
With a dude on top who's even cooler.
You got something sharp?
No.
You got something sharp?
Man.
We're all
Rocks.
We're all good people. Fuck it.
This one looks nice.
That's a good one. What's up, man? How you doing?
Dude, we're doing great.
Sick.
It's day 3, Seek and Shred. Music is pumping and bumping, you know, vibes are up. Trick comps went down, all of that fun stuff. I just gotta know though. I need you to show me something. I need your best or coolest trick, you know? Something funky. It could be anything at all.
Anything at all?
Anything on the Schwelio. Way to go.
Fuck. Wait, what'd you ask?
Can you like show me a little trick?
Little trick?
Whoa! Fuck. Hey, valiant effort. Fuck. I like that. What is that trick called?
I don't know. I don't even know what I did.
It was dope.
Here, one more try, one more try. I can't get it. I can't
That's
get
pretty
it.
cool,
I'm not
though.
Kyle Hansen. I'm not Kyle Hansen. Cat shit, bro.
One day, I'll turn into a cat. Thanks. Have a good night.
You too.
All right, this guy looks real rad. We're gonna ask him if he's got a trick for us. Yo, homie. What's your name?
One wheel cowboy.
All right, we got the one wheel cowboy here. I just gotta know, you got any tricks for me? Could be something funky, you know, anything at all.
All right, I'm gonna need a little bit of space.
All right, let's see what he's got. Oh, where's he going? That was dope. Thank you, one wheel cowboy. That was rad. Have a great night.
Oh yeah, bud.
Phew, let's go find some more people, yo. Yo, Neil Bennett's out here. Let's see if we can get him. Yo, Neil. What's up? We're here with Neil Bennett. I just gotta ask you though, you got any tricks for us? Could be something funny, silly, you know, something crazy.
I got a real serious one for you. You ready?
That was a sick one. I'm gonna have to learn that one, folks. You're so graceful with it. Thanks, Neil. Have a great night.
Seek and Shred.
Yo! Let's see who else we can find, y'all. Yo, is that Jay? Yo, Jay Mata.
What's up?
The boy, Jay Mata. The people want to know. I want to know. You got any tricks for us? It could be something silly.
I got something for you.
You know?
I got something for you.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
What do you guys want? A little of this, a little of that,
Oh!
a little of that.
Oh, Steezy. Oh!
Son of a bitch.
Freaking bored, man. Didn't engage. But that was rad. We appreciate you having a fun time at Seek and Shred.
Dude, I'm having a blast. This has been an epic weekend.
Yee! All the fam is here. Everyone having a blast. Have a great night. Thank you. Yeah! Right outside the Float Carnival. Let's see if we can find some tricksters. Right here. Yo, Jeremy.
What up?
Bro, what's good, y'all? You having a fun time at Seek and Shred?
Oh, definitely.
Right on. I just got one question for you. Can you show me a trick? It could be anything. Something
Yeah,
cool, something goofy,
definitely.
something silly.
Yeah, let me see what I can do.
Let's see what you got. Let's go. That was a dope one. Thank you, Jeremy. Have a great night.
Yeah.
Yo, I think we gotta find like 1 or 2 more people to show us some tricks. Let's go. Yo, looks like Nikki Dimes is about to hit this big jump on the one wheel. Check it. Oh, okay. I like like that. I wasn't sure exactly if she was gonna have enough speed, but she just like sent it, went airborne onto the mat. I dig that, I dig that. We'll count that as a trick. One point for Nikki Dimes. Chick, chick. All right, yo, we're here with Kelly Chameleons, and we just gotta know if you can show us something cool. A trick.
I can show you something cool.
Jump.
Yeah, you guys want to see a jump? Oh, yeah.
Let's see it.
I'm gonna hit the serve
That's rad. That's rad. We count that. We take that. That was a cent, for real. Let's see what she's got to say about that. That was a big cent. I said that. I was like, dang, that was a big cent. Woo. Good job, though.
Thank you.
You're having a blast at Secret Shred?
Oh yeah, it's the best.
All right. Have a great night. Thanks, Kelly. Let's maybe see if we can find one more person. Who knows? Who's out there? I was gonna ask him to do a trick, but it's too many wheels, too many wheels. Dang. Well, I don't know. I don't really see anyone at the moment. But I got an idea, you know. I'm gonna see if my camera guy, you may have heard of him. His name's Lige. He's a little trickster himself. So, yo, give me that. Yo, Lige, you got something? You got a trick? Music video. Oh! With the balloon. Yo, can I get a little rebate on that?
Yeah. Let's go.
Yo. Oh, hey. Oh. Dude, let's go. Lige, folks. Phew. And how's your Seek and Shred been?
Dude, all time. I would say Seek and Shred 3 has been the best one yet. I mean, and that being said, it's only gonna get better, so I can't wait for Seek and Shred 4 and so on. Let's have a good rest of the weekend, y'all.
All right, and that concludes this video of show me what you got, you know? Give me that trick, show me the money. And we saw some cool tricks, we saw some very creative ones, and I'm gonna go back and watch that video and I'm gonna learn every one of those tricks. So we're gonna have a fun rest of our Seek and Shred, and float on, my friends.
That video was a whole lot of fun. Glad you guys watched it. Make sure to watch another one over here. Click that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Float on, my friends.